Hello students, KCET 2024 second round seat allotment procedure has already started and second round provisional seat matrix has also been published. So here's how you can check it. So first of all, you have to go to the KE official website, then go to admission sections, then go to UGCET 2024. Here you can see UGCET 2024 second round provisional seat matrix, the second link. So click on this. Once you click on this, you can see for all categories. Now you can check your engineering seat matrix general quota. If you click on this, you can find the number of seats that is still available, that is vacant. For example, if I show you for this first college, that is University of Visvesvaraya College of Engineering. So here you can see that in EC there is 0 seats available. So these all, in EC there are still 13 seats available. For computer science 15 seats are available. For mechanical 16 seats are available. Okay, so like this you can check for this seat matrix. Okay, so you can see for EC it is 13, then for computer science it is 15, similarly for mechanical it is 16 seats are available. Okay, so you can see like this for different colleges. If we check for BMS College of Engineering, for electrical and communication 5 seats are available, mechanical 7 seats are still available, electrical 7 seats are available, CE 4 seats are available, IM 10 seats are available. Okay, so like this you can check the seat matrix for your colleges whichever you have given and then can arrange your option entry. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful, and if you have liked this video, please subscribe the channel for more updates.